Welcome to Tips and Tricks for July 2025. This month, we will learn about UnForm.Cloud. UnForm.Cloud, a comprehensive managed document processing solution, transforming enterprise document management. UnForm.Cloud represents a paradigm shift in enterprise document management, offering a fully managed, cloud-hosted solution that combines the power of UnForm document management software with the reliability and security of dedicated cloud infrastructure. Modern enterprises face critical document processing obstacles. Infrastructure complexity, such as server maintenance, updates, uptime management. Scalability, limitations. Physical hardware constraints limit growth. Security concerns, protecting sensitive documents while enabling access. Integration difficulties, complex ERP and business application connections. UnForm.Cloud solves these challenges with fully managed cloud-based solutions. UnForm.Cloud offers private, dedicated infrastructure for each customer, with flexible resource allocation, geographic optimization, unlimited user access, and Oracle Linux servers. UnForm.Cloud's dedicated computer instance provides enhanced security, performance, and control. Complete document management ecosystem, core UnForm functionality, full access to all licensed modules, CirrusPrint integration, advanced remote printing and file transport, AI-enhanced OCR services, superior document digitization accuracy, seamless workflow continuity, maintains existing business processes. All customer-licensed, UnForm modules included. Enterprise-grade data protection, encrypted communications, network isolation, no public IP addresses, with advanced firewall protection, dynamic key management, with on-demand key replacement, authentication controls, highly secure password policies. Customer machine isolation, you are ensured protection from other customers. UnForm.Cloud offers multi-layered, secure architecture. Comprehensive data protection strategy. Multi-location backup, primary data center plus a separate geographic region. Granular recovery options. Any day within previous week, week within previous month, month within previous year, and any year within the past 2 years. With enterprise-grade disaster recovery, UnForm.Cloud offers you peace of mind. Proactive operations and customer control. Continuous monitoring of system resources, performance, and operational tasks. Customer control interface using our browser-based management portal. Multiple access methods. Browser-based access. Secure shell access with public key cryptography. Secure, UnForm client access. All with multi-layered security architecture. CirrusPrint, a cloud to on-premise bridge. Remote printing. Print to any network printer from cloud processing. Document upload. From on-premise customer systems to the cloud. ERP integration. Transfer files from on-premise systems. Email processing, allowing automated workflows of vendor invoices and purchase orders. Seamless integration between cloud and local operations. Measurable operational advantages. Reduced IT overhead. Eliminate server management and maintenance. Improved reliability. Higher uptime through professional management. Scalability without capital investment. Adjust resources based on actual needs. Enhanced security posture with enterprise-level protection and compliance support. Risk mitigation, geographic backup distribution and granular recovery. Measurable returns on your investment. SDSI's, Service Model and Responsibilities. SDSI provides complete infrastructure management and automated backups. Hardware and system security 24/7 provided by Oracle. Business hours technical support. 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Western. Comprehensive training and knowledge transfer. Support and assistance. Ready for modern document management. Key implementation considerations. Migration planning and professional services available. Integration assessment for existing systems. Flexible access methods support common scenarios. UnForm.Cloud delivers dedicated computing resources, enterprise-grade security, professional management, flexible integration capabilities. To learn more. To contact sales. Email sales@synergetic-data.com. or call 800-446-7374. Visit us at UnForm.com/cloud. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, contact Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks, thank you. We'll see you next month.